This is the cell phone ring song, a journey back in time. Whoa, let's learn where they all came from. Let's learn it while we rhyme. Whoa. Before the 1990s, cell phone rings used to sound like this. Nokia adapted this little phrase from a composition for solo guitar in '94. Here is the original. This next one was composed by Lance Macy for T-Mobile in 1999, part of the song Hello Hola by Clan Chi. Here is the original. Sony Ericsson 2001. In 2003, ringtone number 6 by Verizon. For some reason this really caught on. AT&T, Formula Singular, released this in 2004. We all know this on the iPhone. This is the cell phone ring song, a journey back in time. Whoa, let's learn where they all came from. Let's learn it while we rhyme. Whoa.
You've just watched the adventures of Paul the Trombonist. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. There are new